56. If f of x is polynomial satisfying f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y minus xy x plus y such that the tangent to f of x at 0, 0 has gradient 1, then the value of f of 3 is. So according to question, f dash x at 0, 0 is equal to 1. Now we have to calculate the value of f of 3. So first of all, f dash x is equal to limit h tending to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So just write down value of f of x plus h from this relation. This is f of x plus f of h minus x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So see, f of x is going to be cancelled here, limit h tending to 0. So just write down limit h tending to 0 f of h by h minus x times x. So this is f dash of x at 0, 0. This is 1 minus x square. So you are getting f dash of x is equal to 1 minus x square. So just integrate on both sides with respect to x. So you are getting f of x is equal to x minus x cube by 3 plus c. Now just replace x equal to 0 equal to y in this relation. So you are getting f of 0 is equal to f of 0 plus f of 0 minus 0. So from here you are getting f of 0 equal to 0. So when you substitute 0 comma 0 here, you will get 0 c equal to 0. So now you have equation f of x equal to x minus x cube by 3. So you have to find out the value of f of 3. So just replace x as 3 minus 3 cube by 3. So you are getting 3 minus 9, which is equal to minus 6. So option number 3 is your correct answer. Now next question is 57. Consider a function f of x is equal to fractional part of x minus fractional part of x, then for all n belongs to natural number. Option limit extending to n minus of f of x, limit extending to n plus n f of n. So we have to find out the value of f of x at x equal to n or limiting value at x equal to n. So first of all, f of n, when n is an integer, so obvious n minus of minus n, both n and minus n integers, so it will give you value 0. Now limit x tending to n minus f of x, so it is limit h tending to 0 f of n minus h. So you will write n minus h minus of minus n plus h. So see, n minus h, it will give you 1 minus h, limit h tending to 0, and here minus n plus h, it will give you h only. So you are getting 1. Now limit x tending to n plus f of x. So this is limit h tending to 0 f of n plus h. So just replace n plus h minus of minus n minus h. So this will give you simply h minus, and this will give you 1 minus h, limit h tending to 0. So you are getting minus 1. So see, f of n not equal to limit x tending to n minus f of x not equal to limit x tending to n plus f of x. So option number 3 is your correct choice. 58. Let f of x is equal to integration sine 1 by x minus 1 by x cos 1 by x dx be a continuous function at x equal to 0 such that f of 0, 0. Then the value of limit x tending to infinite f of x is equal to. First of all, you can observe this expression. This is basically differentiation of x into sine of 1 by x. So f of x is equal to x sine 1 by x plus c. You can see. Now question is saying f of 0, 0. So when you replace x equal to 0 at and y equal to 0, so you will get f of x is equal to x into sine 1 by x, because c is going to be 0. Now question is asking limit x tending to infinite f of x, that is x into sine of 1 by x. Now when x tending to infinite, 1 by x tending to 0, so just write down x as 1 by x in denominator of sine 1 by x. So this is 1 by x. Now x tending to infinite, so this is going to be 0. So sine 0 by 0, it will give you always 1. So option number 2 is your correct answer. Now next question is 59. The value of 0 to pi integration pi to the power mod of sin x divided by pi to the power mod of sin x plus pi to the power mod of cos x dx is. So see, f of pi minus x, you are getting pi to the power mod of sin pi minus, this is pi to the power mod of sin x, and in denominator you will get the same. So f of pi minus x is equal to f of x. So by using property of definite integration, you can write I equal to 0 to pi by 2, and 2 is here. Same function, that is pi mod of sin x divided by pi mod of sin x plus pi to the power mod of cos x into dx. Now see, you have limit 0 to pi by 2. Now just, this is equation number 2. Now just write down a plus b minus x, that is a is 0, b is pi by 2 minus x. So when you replace f of x as f of pi by 2 minus x, so by using property of integration, I equal to 2 times 0 to pi by 2 f of pi by 2 minus x. So in numerator you will get pi to the power mod of cos x. In denominator, mod of sin x is going to be mod of cos x plus mod of cos x is going to be mod of sin x into dx. So just add equation number 2 and 3, you will get 2i equal to 2 times 0 to pi by 2, and when you take LCM you will get function 1 into dx. So this is I equal to 0 to pi by 2, 1 into dx. So this is x, limit from 0 to pi by 2. So this is your pi by 2. So value of I is pi by 2. So option number 2 is your correct choice. Now next question is 60. Area of the region represented by x belongs to real, y belongs to real, y less than equal to root over minus x square plus 4, and y is greater than equal to x is equal to. First of all, y equal to x is a straight line. Now question is saying y is always greater than equal to x. So this area will contain for y greater than equal to x. Now second one, y is less than equal to root over minus x square plus 4. See, y, this quantity is always positive, so y is less than equal to this quantity, so y can be positive or negative. Now see, by squaring, this is part of circle, its center is 0 0 and radius is 2, and now y is less than equal to root over minus x square plus 4, so it is half circle, and y is less than, so this is going to be this. So required area of given equation is this. This is minus 2 comma 0, and this line is y equal to x, and this line is your x equal to minus 2. So this point is minus 2 comma minus 2. Now you have to find out the area of this region. So area of this triangle you can write directly, which is 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 base into height, which is 2. Now you have to find out area of this sector. So see, the line is y equal to x, so this angle is 45, so this angle is 135 degree. You can write this is 3 pi by 4. Now you know the area of any sector, which is 1 by 2 into r square. R square is 4 into theta. This is 3 pi by 4. So area of this sector is 3 pi by 2. Now total area is 3 pi by 2 plus area of this triangle, that is 2. So area of region is 3 pi by 2 plus 2. So option number 2 is your correct choice.